morning, writers. Welcome to your next writing lesson. In our last lesson, we made a story elements chart, and it helped us plan out the important parts of our story. Today, we're going to use those charts to start writing our stories. The characters in my story about me hurting my knee when I was skiing are me, the mountain ambulance men, and the doctor. And the setting is on the slopes at Briançon during my vacation. The main events are I was skiing down the slopes, then I fell down, then the mountain ambulance came. Next, a helicopter came and took me to hospital. And finally, I had an operation. The last part is my personal reaction. I felt scared to have hurt myself, excited to be in a helicopter, and relieved to have people around me that looked after me. Okay, now I've reviewed the information in my chart and I'm ready to write. Reviewed is a fancy word to go back and have a look again. Remember, writers, when you're writing in your writing notebook, you write next to the margin and you skip a line when you're writing. Remember why it's important to skip a line? Because when we edit our work, we might need to take words out or add a word. Sometimes we even add whole sentences. So you'll need this space. Let's go. I'll start writing here next to my yellow star. I was skiing down the slopes at Briançon during my vacation. Suddenly, as I was turning, I felt my left leg twist and I fell down. I knew I needed help, and someone called the mountain ambulance. They arrived in 10 minutes, swishing up to me in their skis. They tried to help me, but my knee was too badly hurt. They needed more help, so they called the hospital. Next thing I knew, a helicopter was hovering over the slopes. Out jumped a doctor with some medicine and a special bed to airlift me to the hospital. In the blink of an eye, I was lifted into the helicopter and flown over the snowy city. When I had arrived safely at the hospital, I had an operation to fix my broken knee. I don't remember the operation because the doctor gave me special medicine to sleep. When I woke up, I remembered everything that had happened like a movie in my mind. I felt scared because I had had a bad accident. Then I remembered that I had been in a helicopter. How exciting! Most importantly, I felt so relieved that so many people were there to help me and take care of me. What a day! I will have to rest and repair before I go skiing again. Now I've written my story. The last step is to go back and read it to make sure it makes sense. What I'd like you to do is turn to your writing partner now and tell your writing partner the steps that I went through to write my story. Now it's your turn to go back to your desks and write. When you finish writing one story using your story elements planner, or 2 stories, or 3 or more, I would like you to have a writing conference with your writing partner. You'll be like their teachers. I might be coming in soon for a surprise visit, so make sure you get your stories done, because it is the first thing I'm going to read when I get into the classroom. Okay, writers, good luck and happy writing.